Mga kapogi, welcome sa ating vlog for today, and today we're going to tour you in the land of Al-Ain. Alam niyo ba, ang Al-Ain pala, it is one of the largest inland here in United Arab Emirates. Kaya naman napakaluwang ang lugar na to, ang daming mapupuntahan. Yung nakikita nyo ngayon is a way going to Jabal Hafid. It is the upper part of Jabal Hafid. It is a mountainous rocks formation, natural God's creation. It is one of the popular tourist spots here in United Arab Emirates. Kaya naman pupuntahan mo talaga ito. And pwede kayo mag-camping dito, pwede kayo mag-banding. And on the other side ay Oman na. Kaya naman napakagandang lugar na to. And now, thank you sa privilege na binigay ng Lord para makarating dito. And now we're going to our trabaho. And our work. And about 1 hour and 20 minutes to be exact. Alam niyo, dito sa Al-Ain ang daming pwedeng mapupuntahan. Hindi mo kailangan ng kaperahan para makarating ka sa magandang lugar. All you have to do is kailangan may sasakyan ka. And next time, pupunta tayo doon sa zoo and follow for more. God bless everyone. Nandito na ako sa aking work. Thank you for watching and God bless everyone. Bye. See ya.